Now we need to make extrude this part right here. Need to model it. It's a rounded part, and if you see, there's some area here, so we need to insert it first. So let me get back to 3ds Max and press T to go to top view. And I need to work on shaded. I need to go on polygon mode. So I need to extrude these polygons, but first I need to get rid of these edges. So let me select them and use Ctrl backspace to get rid of them. Let me get back to polygon mode, select both of these and use insert, and here I need to raise the value of insertion, not much, something like 1.2, and press OK. I also need, check here, I need only the insertion to be on this and other side, right and left. So let me use the cut tool in the vertex mode and create cuts here, another, and maybe also here and here. I think this one, this vertex, need to go this way. Same for this one. And let me get rid of these edges, so they won't create triangles. We don't need triangles. Press Ctrl backspace to get rid of them. Now let me get back to polygon mode, and I will add extra polygons, these, and extrude them in the right view. So extrude, and press OK. Now I need to create cuts so I can work on vertices. Let me just use a swift loop. I need 3 cuts, maybe here and here, one in the middle, and I need to give this a rounded shape, which makes me in need to use a guide. Using a guide by using a circle or a spline circle. So let me draw it here in the middle. Okay, and let me move it here. so I can make the shape circular. Maybe I need to make it bigger. Let me check. Yeah, perhaps this size. So it will act as a guide. We will get rid of it later. Now I need to select this object, get back to vertex mode, and start moving. Let me make sure ignore back facing is not activated, and let me start moving vertices up to where they will belong. It's easier than chamfering. If you need to create extra cuts, you can do it. Won't be problematic. Maybe I need a cut here. Just couple more. Now try to adjust the spaces between these vertices. And here I think I have two groups of vertices. I can make good use of them to make the circle more smooth. Perhaps I need extra cuts. Here and here. That helps me with the rounding to get a better rounded shape. Good. So that's it. We got this part. Ouch, we need to make some connections right here on top. So let me do it quickly. Using the cut tool, I need to connect this to this. And then we get back to right view, we press F3, and we need to raise this group of vertices to be aligned to other groups they belong to. This too. this. As I recall, these were 4 groups, maybe 5, can't remember. I will see now. Yeah, 4, just 4 groups. So let me check. Yeah, that's good. So we got the rounded look piece we will need for the as a joint, and we need actually to continue with it to get some middle hole inside it, like like we did before. But this time we won't work much, we'll just make it right here. I need a perfect square as I can, so I can have a perfect circle. So this piece equal to this piece, maybe this can go slightly. Fine. So let me select this, use the chamfer tool, and here we go. I press OK. Now I need to make these close on the x-axis, not very close, and these need to be aligned. They are already aligned. Maybe these need to be enlarged a bit. And I think spacing looks fine. I think we have 6 sides, 6 equal sides. So let me get back to polygon mode, select both polygons, press F2, this one and this one, delete them, get back to right view, edge mode like we did before, rectangular selection, and bridge. We keep doing it until we're done with the 8 sides. That's it, you got the whole. So we're done with this part. Let's get back to perspective view. We're done with this part. Maybe later, after we finish everything, we will chamfer its edges, and especially these ones, these edges here, and start putting it in position. Second, we need to make or model in other words, this piece, and it's very simple piece. Look, it looks like this. It goes from wide to thin. That's it, from all dimensions. So we only need a box. So let me select this and I need to freeze him actually, so I won't accidentally freeze selection selected. So now I cannot select it. Now let me go to polygons, box, and I need a box. Oops, I'm not in an orthographic view. Okay, so right view from this menu, and let me create this rectangle, and I need to give it the same material before I work on it, because we need all of them to get the same shading. Sign. Now let me change its values. Let me check with this one. This one was, if you remember, 30, 36, I said, no, that was 150 by 60. So this one needs to be I think it can be 40, and it will be, I think, the same length. Let me check. No, that's 100. If this is 150, that makes this 100, so it will be 100. The height, I think it was 20. Maybe you should write this down. Okay. And for the widths, I think it's too much for 40. Let's make it 30. Okay. Segments, let me make 6 segments. Oh, that's too much. Let's make it 3 by 6 and 2 or 3. 3, 6, 3. Fine. Now let me convert this to editable poly, and we need to start from this hinge. It needs to get the same value of this one, so we need to get back to the circle. Where are you? You can find it here, this explorer, and we need to push it, put it here in place, press F3 so we can see it, and I don't think it's bigger. It's the same, they have the same size, maybe a little bit bigger, because the outer one takes bigger value, so maybe we can scale it up slightly. Okay, and here it will go. Now I need few segments for my object. I need to create few segments, so let me put this somewhere here in the middle. So I go to edge mode, double click this group, and take him exactly here. And for these two, maybe I can leave them where they are and create another one. So I use swift loop. I create one here, another one in here, and one right in the middle, and right click. Now let me get back to vertex mode. I need to take all of these. I need another one here, so let me use the swift loop again. I need another one here and other one close to it, so this will go to this direction. I don't need to get to the end of it, because if you see, it's smooth somehow starting from here. So these two, we may scale them a bit, and these two are going too much. Good. And we need to have a hole for this spring, so we need to work on these axes right here, these vertices, sorry. So I need to take this way, also these this way, and I'm not sure if I get rid ends of them, what will happen. No, not a good idea. Well, so let me get back to edge mode, and let me get rid of these two. Control backspace. Now I need to make these. I forgot these in the middle. Control backspace too. Now let me select these vertices, scale them until we get perfect square. Same for these, and it should be something larger than this one, bit larger, not very. Okay, so now I need to select these corners, use the chamfer tool, and let's chamfer this so we can get something with similar size, and press OK. Now let me get back to shaded mode, and I think it looks perfect, looks fine, I like it. I go back to polygon mode, and let me select this one and the other one, and I need to get rid of them. And of course I don't need the circle, so let me select it and delete it. I don't need more guides. Okay, let me get back to right view again. Edge mode, select this guy in edge mode, like we always do. For bridging, rectangular selection, bridge, until we're done with all of them and get the hole we wish to get. That's easier than working yeah, these two not yet. That's easier than creating the bridge. Yes, easier than creating the bridge in perspective view, much easier. I guess these two. I got some places not created. This one and these. Okay, so these bridge. Okay, and all this group. Fine. We're done. Let me get back to perspective view, and that's what we get. We get this shape, and in the next tutorial we will continue shaping this part right here, and there will be another piece like this we will try if we can copy it or just do the same as we did with this and this one. So keep up with us.